Hey everybody, this is Julie Quinn, and I'm going to show you a quick video on how to find Word documents or documents in your peer review from your classmates. If they've posted a Word document, save it on your computer, leave some feedback, save that feedback so it sticks, and then attach it. So here's an example. I'm in not our class, but just one of my practice shells, and I'm imagining, say I'm a student, and I'm responding to a student here. So you go into the discussion. You see the file, you click on it. The file should open on your computer. I mean, obviously I'm in a PC, but you're using a PC, but if you're not, it'll be a little bit different. Imagine that this is the file of your students, of your classmates' draft. So the first thing I'm going to do is save it as, and I'm going to go into, maybe my just desktop. And then you can delete it once you've reposted it with your feedback in the discussion. But for now, you want to save it somewhere where it's easily accessible. Then what you want to do is leave a little bit of feedback. And the way to do this feedback is to ask good questions and leave helpful, supportive comments. Even if you don't agree with the ideas that are in there, it's not about your agreeing so much. It's about your opportunity to help the writer really enhance their text. So my first question would be 20th century. So instead of saying, hey, this is the 20th century, you can leave it as a question so that the author can fix it. And if you use bubble comments, you don't write over the original writer. You leave their words as they are. So you could say, good examples here. So in addition to asking important questions, you let the reader know where they're doing good work so they know what to replicate. You replicate these types of things. Good examples. So I'm specific, not just good, but this is a good example. So the writer knows that they're good with providing examples here. Maybe you could say, double check that this title is italics. But that's okay. So to leave a comment when you're in Word, for example, you highlight the area that you want to comment. You go up to the Review tab, and you just click on New Comment. So you can leave thoughts, you leave ideas, you leave questions, 3 to 4 a page. You don't have to overdo this. You don't want to highlight everything. And if you notice something that's egregious, ask a question about it. Did you mean to say that? And that should be enough to put it back in the author's hands. And then let them make those decisions. So when you're done with your comments, you save it, and you could say, for example, click on reply. You just reply to their message. And you go. You could just say something very simple like, see my notes in the file. Then where the attach is, you browse for where you saved it. I saved it on the desktop, so it was easy to find. And once you click post and you see your post is there, then you can delete the file from your desktop. Of course, if you have a different process, that's fine. But this is how you open a file, you save it, you use the bubble comments to leave comments, and then you attach the comments file in your response. Just reach out if you have any questions about any of this, okay? Take care.